But first, as we've already observed, there are few industries that have changed as much in the last few years as waste management. It used to be all about simply getting rid of rubbish, usually by burying it in big holes in the ground. But now, of course, it's about exploiting a precious resource, recovering energy from what used to be regarded as disposable. Ascot Environmental is one company that has embraced these changes in a big way. Piers Hopkirk reports from their latest project near the Scottish town of Dumfries.
Waste management needs bright sparks, and Ascot Environmental is leading the way. This is work on the boilers for the Dumfries waste-to-energy plant, part of a revolutionary new thermal treatment system that's poised to transform the way we deal with residual waste. Ascot Environmental has devised a new gasification system which it believes is the simplest and most efficient on the market. It's a pioneering process that provides a non-landfill alternative for a wide variety of waste. In fact, less than 10% of the waste that comes to the plant will end up in landfill.
What we've got here, I think, is unique and exciting. It provides local needs and it satisfies a problem. It deals with the waste on a small to medium scale, 60,000 to 120,000 tonne. It's not incineration, it doesn't have the issues of incineration, and I want to see one of these in each community throughout the UK.
The plant will gasify hazardous and non-hazardous waste into 6 megawatts of electricity for the grid, as well as powering the plant itself. How does it work then? Well, for that we need a little virtual reality. The waste is initially ignited in a primary chamber. It's then starved of oxygen, allowing it to gasify or smoulder. That produces an energy-rich gas known as syngas. This goes into a secondary chamber where air is added and high burn temperatures are achieved. This produces hot flue gases which heats a conventional boiler, raising steam. This can be used as part of a combined heat and power scheme, or can be directed to steam turbines to generate electricity.
Well, we've had to design a boiler to produce about 15 tonnes an hour of steam, which is what you need for this size of power plant. And normally these boilers would work at about 20 bar, but because we need extra maximum power from the waste, we've designed these boilers to work at 40 bar, and this gives about 25% more power from the same amount of material.
The process can accept unsegregated as well as residual waste from recycling processes. In fact, it will accept anything that's combustible.
The main benefits and the beauty we see in the system is its scale, its size, it's modular, it's flexible. It comes in sort of basic 20,000 tonne per annum units. It's very flexible in terms of the waste it can accept as a fuel, right from specific waste-derived fuels to raw unsegregated flat bin bag waste. It can take industrial, commercial waste, hazardous, non-hazardous.
Well, I think a plant like this, it would help us a major way along the road of avoiding landfilling, and anything like this which will help us to turn those wastes which cannot readily be recycled into energy in all its forms will be immensely valuable.
The Dumfries waste-to-energy plant will start commissioning this October and open its doors commercially early in 2009. Ascot Environmental ushering in a new era of leaner and greener waste management and energy creation.